with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Today I am going to discuss with you one question. This question is helpful for the students who are going to appear for the TIFR exam, which is there for pursuing M.Sc in Wildlife Biology and Conservation. So let's see what is the question. Gymnosperms and angiosperms refers respectively to. Options are plants with naked seeds and plants with seeds which have some covering. Second one is sperms of blue and baleen whales. Third one is bryophytes and pteridophytes. And the last option is monocot and dicot plants. So let's go through each and every option to find the answer for the question. Okay, so let's go through the comparative description of the classes which are given in our question. So starting with the gymnosperms and angiosperms. See, in the gymnosperm, mostly the plants are having trees. Here the herbs, shrubs or trees may be there in case of angiosperm. Gymnosperms are non-flowering plants and angiosperms are flowering plants. Gymnosperms having a naked seeds. And the speciality of angiosperm is it is having a seed covered seed is there in case of angiosperms. Some other differences include cone is present in gymnosperm, whereas in case of angiosperm flowers are present and cones are not present. And in gymnosperm flowers are absent. Then as flowers are absent, style and stigma is absent. And in case of angiosperm, we find style stigma in the flowers. Then double fertilization is absent in gymnosperms and in angiosperm, double fertilization is present. So if we remember the evolutionary sequence of the plants, we find that initially bryophytes were there, then pteridophytes has developed, then gymnosperms have developed, and after that angiosperms have developed. So let's find the difference between the pteridophytes and bryophytes, which is also given in our question. Yes, when we say bryophytes, the plant body in bryophytes is a thallus. There is no differentiated structures as a root, stem and leaves. Whereas in case of pteridophytes, we find that root, shoot and leaves are separate structures. Here the gametophytic generation is dominating in bryophytes and in pteridophytes sporophytic generation is a dominating generation. Then another difference is pteridophytes are the first vascular plant on the earth and bryophytes lacks the vascular system. There is no vascular system present in a bryophytes as these plants are present in a water itself. So there is no need of separate vascular system for these plants. Some examples are Riccia funaria comes under the Bryophyta, whereas Dryopteris, Lycopodium, these are the examples from the Pteridophyta. Now let's move to the monocot and dicot plants. These are the basic two categories present under the phylum Angiosperm, monocot and dicot plants. So in a monocot plants, the embryo is with single cotyledon, that's why it is a monocot. And secondly, dicot plants are having embryo with two cotyledons. So monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Here the major leaf veins is a parallel and in case of dicot it is reticulated type of vein. Secondly, stem vascular bundles are scattered in monocot plants and stem vascular bundles are in a ring when we say dicot plants. Roots are adventitious in monocot plants and roots develop from radicle when there is a dicot plant. The examples of monocot plant are cereals, grasses, and dicot plant include the examples as a mustard and sunflower. Now, these three options were from the botany part of the biology. The one option is from zoology. So let's understand what are whale and what are its types. Yes, now try to understand about blue whale or ballan whale. Actually, blue whale is a type of ballan whale. It is the largest animal on the earth. The differentiating character is it is not having a teeth. It has a ballan plates which are attached to its upper jaw. It's made up of protein keratin, and that is useful for these to get their prey. So these around 130 to 150 ballan plates are there, and that are just like a cone which are present from the upper jaw. Secondly, the sperm whales are the largest toothed predator on the earth. These are having largest tooth. These are having a biggest brain also, and there is a sexual dimorphism present in sperm whale. The male and female are different in sperm whales, and female are having a larger size as compared to males. So what we find is answer is option A. Gymnosperms and angiosperms refer respectively to plants with naked seeds and plants with seeds which have some covering. So this is option A, correct answer for the question. I hope you like my videos. Your suggestions are welcome. You can suggest me some points in the comment box. And I request you to please like, share and subscribe for my channel, and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.